I'll show you guys. Hopefully I don't get demonetized. But this car sounds amazing, man. Got the airlift remote right there. Oh, I'm definitely gonna get demonetized. I'm pretty sure the video doesn't do any justice with the way this sounds. You have to hear this in person. This sounds amazing, man.